Hi Pixelers, grab your pencil and paper because today we're going to draw a chess rook. For this drawing, you'll need a black colored pencil. This drawing is 17 squares tall and 14 squares wide. We'll start by skipping 3 squares from left to right. And in the 4th square, we're going to mark 2 squares horizontally. Below to the right, mark 1 square. Above to the right, mark 2 squares horizontally. Below to the right, mark 1. Above to the right, mark 2 squares horizontally. From this square, go down 3 squares vertically. From this square, go down 3 squares vertically again. From this square, go right 6 squares horizontally. From this square, go down and to the left, mark 1. Below to the right, mark 8 horizontally. Above to the right, mark 1. From this square, go down 6 squares vertically. From this square, go down 6 squares vertically again. From this square, go right 6 squares horizontally. From this square, go down and to the left, mark 2 squares diagonally. Below to the left, mark 3 squares vertically. From this square, go down and to the right, mark 2 squares diagonally. Below to the right, mark 3 squares vertically. From this square, go right 10 squares horizontally. From this square, go right 12 squares horizontally. Now we're going to color in all the squares we marked. I want to invite you to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can automatically be part of the Pixeler Club, which is what our family here at Pixelados is called. And that's how our drawing for today turned out. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here in another video. Sending you a big kiss and a giant hug full of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!